Today, I will show you Zoryve Cream review. Meet Zoryve Cream, a prescription, steroid-free topical treatment made with roflumilast, a PDE4 inhibitor. Depending on the strength, it is used for plaque psoriasis and mild to moderate atopic dermatitis, also known as eczema. Basically, it is not a random internet cream with a leaf on the label. It is actual prescription medicine, so your dermatologist gets to be part of the storyline.
Let's go!
On paper, Zoryve sounds pretty convenient. Once daily, topical use only, and no steroid label drama. That is a big deal for people who are tired of greasy creams, complicated routines, and bathroom counters that look like a tiny pharmacy exploded. The official HCP site lists results for atopic dermatitis studies, while the FDA label gives the real boring but important details, including warnings, directions, and who should not use it. Translation: read the label, not just the hype. Now, user reviews are where things get spicy. Drugs.com reviews include people saying Zoryve worked when other creams failed, helped plaques fade, and felt less messy than some older treatments. WebMD also shows user reviews with solid satisfaction scores, though the sample is small. So yes, some users sound like they finally found a cream that told their skin, please stop acting possessed. But hold up, wait a minute, something ain't perfect. Some reviewers complain about price, insurance coverage, and access, with one drugs.com user saying they had to stop because the cost became too high. Also, side effects can happen, including headache, nausea, diarrhea, insomnia, or application site discomfort, depending on use and formulation. So no, it is not magic lotion blessed by angels. It is medicine, useful for some people, annoying for others. Final verdict: Zoryve Cream looks promising if you want a dermatologist-prescribed, steroid-free option for stubborn psoriasis or eczema. But the price can bite, insurance can be dramatic, and results vary. Ask your dermatologist, check coupons or coverage, and do not treat TikTok comments like a medical degree. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.